Okay, so, as you can see, we have Freddy and Bonnie here. And if you take one of them, I'm just gonna grab Bonnie. And then if you move them a little bit closer, hold on. Let me try little layers real quick so I can erase. You can make them kiss. What am I doing with my life? And now we have them kind of kissing. Close enough. It's beautiful. Okay, and now we can just go down here. Erase all of these people because they don't matter. Okay. So now we're just gonna take Bonnie from here. I'm gonna put him down here. We're gonna take this away. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna do this. Why am I narrating this? You just do that. You go to the first layer. Take this. Still needs to be erased a bit because I can see some of Chica and Withered Bonnie. Why am I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, definitely. I can't erase properly. Hold on. And there you go. Close enough.